wait and wait and wait at the gate. Gate 6. It is now the 8th inning. My mask is kind of falling down a little. There it is. Oh, surprise. First ever toss-up from a bomb-sniffing dog. So it was also a German short-hair pointer. So I'm pretty stoked. My dog Evelyn is part German short-hair pointer. So in a way, thank you, one of Evie's relatives. And if you can kind of zoom in right there, right in here, you kind of see some bite marks. So the guy came over, gave it to me, and said that he found a ball. And by he, I mean the dog. So what was looking like a strikeout turns into on the board. And if you can kind of see behind me, the game's going on. Went from strikeout to good. Short videos, this time on my phone. Sorry, this is ball hawking in 2020. Now let's hope for a foul ball, which has come close. It kind of hit right off of that corner there. It was looking good, but just had too much spin, too much curve. Would have been pretty sweet to get a gamer during a pandemic, but take what you can get. Number 12 of the year. All right. Position player pitching, Adrianza, and he gives up a homer to somewhere over there. Evie, I got a ball from one of your friends. Who is it?